Yeah, today's another Wight Car Club day, so we're taking the old Miata out for another spin around the car park. Today I'm at the Wight College in Newport in the Isle of Wight, obviously, and we're just racing around the car park basically between the cones, all that sort of stuff. Another auto test. We've got John in front again. He's swung by my house, so we're just driving in together again. He's in the Impreza. Don't know if you can see it on that camera. He's up in front, popping and banging again. Sounds really nice. But yeah, onwards. I'll do the same as I did last time. Hopefully do a nice little car park walk around, spot some nice race cars out in the car park, and also film some of the runs going around the track. So yeah, hang about and enjoy the ride. So also I forgot to say is I invested myself in a new GoPro, which you're on now. That's my old GoPro behind. Absolute piece of poo. It's done me well though, to be fair, over the years, but I think it's like an original GoPro Hero. It's pretty old. I'm going to keep it just for like little B-roll shots like that. Stick it in places, put it on the wing or something if it falls off. It's not even waterproof that way anymore. The back fell off it. I think it went flying off my old car club event. I had to rescue it, but couldn't find the bag after a good look. Yeah, so hopefully you can see me in a bit of better quality now. But anyway, now that you're updated on the camera situation, I'll update you on the beard situation. It's still off one day. So anyway, let's go racing. Right, first event I'm actually marshalling, so I'm going to go and grab a high vis quick, but before I run out there quick, just squeeze down here, perhaps the MX-5. Just thought I'd have a quick look at some of the cars that are here early. So we've got my little Mazda there, and Ford Puma here, it's pretty cool. This, I think it's got a 2 litre engine, that Fiesta. I'm not sure, I'll have to find out. Got Kev's MX-5, nice, and then this little Mini. Oh, there's a Smart Roadster as well, I can't leave that out. Right, so I'm actually in position at the marshalling spot. Basically, I've just got to stand here and watch everyone. Here it comes. Taking it easy for the first go. Just getting used to the track, warming the tyres up and all that sort of stuff. But yeah, basically I've just got to make sure they don't hit a cone, and I've got a little walkie-talkie and a fire extinguisher and that. This thing's a beast. Yeah, when he's fully going for it, it makes a right old racket and it absolutely flies up there. No idea even what it is, but it's pretty cool. Yeah, so I've just got to stand here for the first round, and then I'll get some footage of me. I'll be up next. Okay, that's the first run done. That went quite well. I took it quite smoothly around there, but just getting used to it. So let's go and have another go. Okay, that felt good that time. A lot quicker around there. I got 58 seconds there. I think the quickest at the moment is 53. The quickest MX-5 is 56. So I'm just going to go and watch John have a go now. Well, unfortunately Kev's having a few issues with his MX-5. It looks like he's split a hose, radiator hose or something, leaking a bit of coolant over the alternator and all that. So hopefully he can get that sorted. And also I'm third at the moment. Right guys, it all got a bit hectic at the end, all got a bit competitive, and I realised I actually didn't record anything. Typical. But I'm here now. I came 5th in the end overall. I was 3rd at one point, but a couple of the lads picked it at the end. Yeah, but 5th ain't too bad. It's probably the highest I've been since I've been at the car club, so I'm pretty happy with that. But yeah, I'm just driving back now, so the next event is in a month, I think, so we'll give that a go. I'll have to do the same. I'll film it and stuff, put it on YouTube. But if you did like this video, please give us a like, a share, subscribe, hit the bell icon, all that sort of stuff, and I will see you on the next video. The next video is I'm going down to watch to see the Straight Sixes, loads of like a BMW group coming over to the Isle of Wight, so I'm going to go and have a little look and look at some BMWs, so I'll bring you along for the trip. It should be good. So yeah, be sure to subscribe so you can keep up to date with that. Thanks guys, see you in the next video.